A prominent analyst forecast that the price of XRP would reach a figure in the two-digit range if the alternative cryptocurrency can regain its 2017 high against Bitcoin. It would appear that the cryptocurrency market is currently in a phase of recovery, and XRP is making the most of the recent comeback to retake important support levels. After falling to a low of $1.28 on Tuesday, XRP has since recovered the psychological levels of $1.3 and $1.4, and it is currently attempting to strengthen its position above $1.5. In contrast to Bitcoin, XRP has broken through the declining trend line. According to market statistics, the alternative cryptocurrency has maintained its upward trend versus Bitcoin, which began on November 12th. This trend has been going on since then. Particularly noteworthy is the fact that this positive tendency has sparked confidence that XRP could surpass BTC during this bull run. Analyst Crypto Bull has predicted an ambitious price objective for XRP if it can recapture its peak value in January 2017. According to the data, XRP has been performing poorly compared to Bitcoin since January 2018, when it resumed its decline from the all-time high of $3.3. A downward trend line can be seen on the XRP BT chart, which indicates that the value of XRP in comparison to Bitcoin has precipitously decreased over the previous 7 years. In July of last year, there was an effort to break through this trend line. However, the withdrawal of XRP from the high of 93 cents at the time prevented the attempt from being successful. Now, it seems that XRP has broken through the trend line because it has gained a staggering 111 against Bitcoin in just a month of November. XRP, on the other hand, needs to finish this month above the trend line to validate the breakthrough. In the meanwhile, Crypto Bull feels that XRP still has a further upward tendency in comparison to Bitcoin, notwithstanding the most recent appreciation. It has been determined by his most recent analysis that the XRP market is still in the preliminary stages of its bull run. If XRP regains its position as the top cryptocurrency in 2017, the price of XRP might reach $20. For some reference, despite the current upswing in Bitcoin prices, which is a significant distance below its all-time high at the beginning of 2017. This is because Bitcoin has also been experiencing an upward trend, which has lately seen it come close to reaching the 100K price range. Crypto Bull anticipates that XRP will continue its upward trajectory until it reclaims the top it reached at the beginning of 2017, which is a value that XRP reached in May 2017 following months of underperformance. In light of its current pricing, XRP is still at least 1,500 away from reaching this previous. The analysis conducted by Crypto Bull says that if the alternative cryptocurrency achieves a rally like to the one that the market experienced at the beginning of 2017, then the peak could boost the price of XRP to at least $20. Taking into consideration that Bitcoin is currently trading at 95K, that means that the price of XRP is equivalent to $23 in terms of dollars. It is interesting to note that the price climb of XRP in 2017 started with a whopping 308 gained against Bitcoin in March of that same year. The XR price continued to push higher throughout the subsequent 3 months. If this scenario plays out again, XRP will outperform BTC in December 2024 and January 2025. At the time of this publication, the price of XRP is 1.47, representing a 7 increase over the last 24 hours. Despite repeated pullbacks, XRP has managed to maintain its position above the psychological barrier of $1, leading several analysts to feel that the asset is still undervalued. As it recovers from a large correction that occurred on Tuesday, XRP has experienced a jump of 8 today, and it is presently trading at $1.43 at the time of this release. Amid the recent effort at a breakthrough rally, market analysts such as Pharaoh, a well-known expert, advise enthusiasts to not let the momentum die down. It is still a good time to purchase XRP. The argument that purchasing XRP at a price in the vicinity of $1.40 is still a good deal was made by Pharaoh in a recent revelation. He asserted that participants in the cryptocurrency market will come to this realization when they investigate the potential of XRP and the extent to which its price may go. He emphasized that in the future, the value of XRP will increase by a bigger amount for every $100 that investors commit to purchasing today. In light of this, Pharaoh recommended investors to take a step back and examine both the past and the present for their businesses. An examination of the past performance of XRP investments. When looking at XRP on an annual period, it is noteworthy that those who invested in XRP in November 2023 have witnessed a return on investment of more than 134 because of their investment. November 2024 was the month that saw the majority of these increases. XRP is currently trading at a price that is lower than its high valuation from 2021, which means that investors are losing money over 3 years. Furthermore, investors who purchased XRP 7 years ago are today experiencing a loss of 62 from their initial cash, because to the fact that the asset is still a long way from reaching its all-time high. On the other hand, individuals who purchased XRP at its all-time low are currently seeing a return of 51,003 over 10 years. Analysts feel that the narrative is already evolving, even though the underperformance of XRP over the past several years has had an impact on the portfolios of many investors. Having benefit of hindsight, they believe that an investment in XRP made today will most likely prove to be more valuable in the future. There have been significant changes in the legal framework surrounding XRP, technological breakthroughs within the XRP ecosystem, and increased use, all of which have contributed to the optimism. A long time ago, XRP was selected co-founder of Black Swan capitalist Vandel Al-Jara commented in a recent commentary claiming he and others have been discussing the possibilities of XRP and XLM for years. He said that they have been discussing it for years, that prominent figures and well-known critics are only now beginning to recognize this potential as something that he finds interesting. Al-Jara expressed her thoughts by saying, "It's funny how perspectives evolve." In the next statement, he confidently asserted that XRP and its competitor Stellar were chosen long ago, indicating that he regarded them as promising assets for the future of banking. A member of the community named Spencer commented in response to this viewpoint, stating that he is curious as to whether or not everyone would be so enthusiastic about XRP and XLM if they were not performing well. According to him, many investors would be criticizing their investments in XRP and XLM if the situation were different, as both of these cryptocurrencies have a history of underperformance. Gary asserted in a lengthy X thread that the efforts taken by SEC Chair Gary Gensler against cryptocurrency were intended to slow down the expansion of the industry rather than to stop it altogether. The various enforcement and regulatory actions that have been taken against cryptocurrency businesses, while Gensler has been in charge of them, are evidence of this. In his opinion, Gensler's efforts provided traditional financial institutions with a window of opportunity to get themselves ready for the market and position themselves appropriately. Suppression strategies against XRP were brought to an end by the Ripple verdict. As an additional point of interest, Avery has highlighted XRP as a disruptive force in international payment networks, so depicting the asset as a potential danger to conventional financial systems. Because of this, XRP became a target for suppression, and the expert framed the case against Ripple as a tactic to impede the expansion of XRP.